Hi, welcome to the series on Wellness Drops, exploring mental health and the 8 dimensions of wellness. These 8 dimensions of wellness helps one to measure happiness, impacting relationships and growth. How? It is a proven fact that happiness directly impacts wellness and success. Who doesn't want to get wellness? We all do. But how do we get it? Wellness is not restricted to just one area of wellness, because invariably people correlate wellness to the physical being or maybe the emotional being. It goes beyond the physical and emotional aspects. Wellness goes beyond happiness. Why? Because happiness is a temporary state of mind, but wellness is something beyond happiness. It is a more stable state of mind. And if we are able to achieve this wellness, we will reach the state of satisfaction and contentment. The theory of wellness has evolved from 3 different perspectives: the hedonic perspective, the eudaimonic perspective, and Parama. Is this concept new? Well, it is not really new, but to the Western world it has been put together in the form of the 8 dimensions of wellness. However, they have been existing from a very long time in our ancient scriptures, which means they have been aligned with our ancient Indian philosophy. How? In the form of koshas. The first starts with the Annamaya kosha. The next kosha is Pranamaya kosha. And the third kosha is the Manomaya kosha. The fourth kosha is the Vijnanamaya kosha. And the last of the koshas is the Anandamaya kosha. These 5 koshas exist within us in the form of these 8 dimensions of wellness, which are emotional wellness, physical wellness, occupational wellness, social wellness, spiritual wellness, intellectual wellness, financial wellness, and environmental wellness. Now it depends on us as to how we are able to align our thoughts to these dimensions. It makes things much simpler. We'll be back with more. Do subscribe to the series on Wellness Drops.